Good morning, children. Today we learn an activity phonic sound. So let's start. Rishan, come in circle. Jump on G. Good. Go your place. Pranav, come in the circle. Jump on E. Good. Go. Aryan, come in the circle. Jump on A. Good. Go. Shlok, come in the circle. Jump on D. Good. Go. Harshvardhan, come in circle. Jump on A. Jump on A. Good. Go. Divya, come in the circle. Jump on L. Good. Go. Advika, come in circle. Jump on H. No, it is wrong. H. H. Where is H? Good. Go. Revati, come in the circle. Jump on R. Good. Go. Shivansh, come in the circle. Jump on N. No. Good. Go. Shruti, come in the circle. Jump on K. Good. Ranvijay, come in the circle. Jump on Y. Where is Y? No, it is wrong. Y. Good. Srivardhan, come in the circle. Jump on A. Good. Sritej, come in circle. Jump on W. Good. Harsha, come in circle. Jump on L. Jump on L. Good. Srivardhan, come in the circle. Jump on G. Good. Arohi, come in circle. Jump on E. Good. Sanskar, come in circle. Jump on Q. Jump. Good. Siddhi, come in circle. Jump on A. Good. Rishan, come in circle. Jump on N. Good. Kartik, come in circle. Jump on D. Jump on D. Good. Riddhi, come in circle. Jump on G. Good.